Indulge in the best maple nut coffee cake recipe ever. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to show you how to make a mouthwatering maple nut coffee cake that's perfect for any time of the day. If you love the combination of rich maple flavor and crunchy nuts, you're in for a real treat. So, let's get started and dive into this delicious recipe. Before we start baking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming recipes. Let's bake this amazing maple nut coffee cake together. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the filling: 1/2 cup chopped pecans or walnuts, 1/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. For the maple glaze: 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup, 1 tablespoon milk. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/halloweencup2023. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round or square cake. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined after each addition. In a separate small bowl, mix together the chopped nuts, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon for the filling. Spread half of the cake batter evenly into the prepared pan. Sprinkle the filling mixture over the batter. Carefully spread the remaining batter over the filling to cover it completely. Bake the coffee cake in the preheated oven for about 35–40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, prepare the maple glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, maple syrup, and milk until smooth. Once the cake is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. After the cake has cooled slightly, drizzle the maple glaze over the top of the cake. Slice the maple nut coffee cake and serve warm. Enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. And there you have it, our delightful maple nut coffee cake. The aroma of maple and the crunch of nuts make this coffee cake an absolute winner. We hope you enjoyed baking it with us as much as we enjoyed sharing this recipe. If you tried it out, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. And, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and baking adventures. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The Adult Alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.